Hi, morning everyone. Currently I'm outdoors with a new interesting lens. This is the XF30mm F2.8 macro. This is a new lens that just came out. This is the shortest macro that we have. We have 60 and we have 80, but this is 30mm. But very interesting is this macro can focus like 1 cm away from the subject. Basically it's just like touching the lens, and we shall take it for a ride. So I'm going to take a few photos with this, and I'm going to mount my diffuser on here, and we'll see how good the photos will look like, and then we will talk about it. So currently there's a snail here. Let's try to get hold of this little snail, and without flash, right? So this is without flash, and ISO, let's bump up the ISO to 800 so that we get a clear shot of it. This is f2.8, right? That's the f2.8 shot, and let's see if I can get the video out of this. This is how the macro will be. Let's get closer, and that's very close. You can see it's very close, right? So that's how close to the subject, and you can get really big shots of that. Okay, you want to see how close it is? That's how close I'm getting there. Can go even closer actually. So this is a very tiny little lens, lightweight, and we can use it for very close-up shots in video. You can see in video as well as in photos. So let's mount the flash, and then we'll take photo with this with the flash at f14 and see. Okay, as you can see, I've already mounted the diffuser. This is a modified diffuser, shorter diffuser, so that for this shorter lens. Second thing is, okay, you need to set up this because it's f14 now. You can't see anything, it's too dark, so you need to disable the preview. Now it's in manual mode, so you can see the whole thing. And then let's go and grab a shot of this snail and see how it comes out. Yes. Hopefully it posts for me. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Wow, this is nice. It did post for me. Look at that. Let's try again. Looks like it's posing. So let's move on to the next subject and see what else I can take. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the head, right? Very clear. I can even see the dot on top. Okay, let's move on to other subjects. There seems to be a grasshopper there. Let's try to get in before it jumps off. And that's it. Look at that. It's pretty sharp. Okay, got it. I drew a box around the fly. Yeah, look at that. Impressive. Right, I'm going to change my screen brighter so that you guys can see. So I'm going to increase it to +5, right? So you guys can see the image is brighter. Look at that, the fly is there. This is really incredible. Look at this. This is the mosquito light fly, and the subject tracking just caught it and I just snapped, right? So I didn't even waste time in focusing and it flew off. So your hit rates with this subject tracking on is pretty good. Okay, let's try video. Subject detection gone. Yep, subject detection on video as well. But you'll be jumping in and out, right? So you need sufficient light. Yep, it's drawing boxes around the face now. Interesting. It's got draw the eyes. Managed to track the eyes. Yep, this time it's got track the eyes, and then it's got very sharp there. I tell you guys gonna love this, because this lens and camera can track a spider, and it managed to draw a box around the spider. Look at that. Let's get it out in the clear. When it's got sufficient light, it will draw the box around the spider. Yep, let's go up front. Let's say if a spider come out. So it saw the spider. Earlier on I got some shots. See, this was by AFC, bird subject tracking. It got the spider while it was walking around. This one as well. I didn't do much work focusing on this. It just worked. So subject tracking even works on spiders. It's crazy good, right? This lens is extremely amazing. You can see now the autofocus just locks onto the eye of the grasshopper, and it's also great for video. So basically this lens can use for macro and video macro as well. Okay, you can see I'm doing a single autofocus, so it points to the eye and it locks the eye in. It managed to track the head. That's pretty amazing. So guys, I'm very impressed with the XF30mm F2.8 macro. It's very good for if you're using tracking as well with it, and it focuses very well on tracking, and I can get really good one shots before the subject flies away or moves away. And it's light, it's small. Look at that, the size. So do look at this lens if you're looking to pick one up, macro lens. I recommend this. This is one of the easiest lenses to use, and what I love is the tracking, because sometimes the bugs are so fast, they are moving, and this one can track even ants. They track the eyes, so pretty good. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll do more review on this later on, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, have a nice day.